Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. I hope you all guys are doing well. If you are new to this channel, please do click on subscribe button to get notification of my new videos. Today we are going to cover the topic features of Java. So let's start. The primary objective of Java programming was to make it portable, simple and secure programming language. Apart from this, there are also some excellent features which plays an important role in the popularity of this language. A list of most important feature of Java language is given below. Number 1 is simple, next one is object oriented, next is portable, and then platform independent, secured, robust, architecture neutral, interpreted, high performance, multi-threaded, distributed and dynamic. So now let's start to discuss these in details. Simple. So first feature name is simple. Means Java is very easy to learn and its syntax is simple, clean and easy to understand. According to Sun, Java language is a simple programming language because Java syntax is based on C++. Java has removed many complicated and rarely used features like explicit pointers, operators overloading, etc. There is no need to remove unreferenced object because there is an automatic garbage collection in Java. Let's go to next slide. Next topic is object oriented. Java is an object-oriented programming language because everything in Java is an object. Object-oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of objects that incorporates both the data and behavior. Object-oriented programming is a methodology that simplifies software development and maintenance. Basic concepts of object-oriented programming are: number 1 is object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction and encapsulation. We will discuss these concepts of OOTs in details in upcoming videos. Okay, so now let's go to the next slide. Platform independent. Next feature is platform independent. So Java is platform independent because it is different from other languages like C, C++, etc., which are compiled into platform-specific machines, while Java is a write one and run anywhere language. Java code can be run on multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, Solaris, Mac OS, etc. Java code is compiled by compiler and then converted into bytecode. This bytecode is a platform-independent code because it can be run on multiple platforms, that is write one and runs anywhere. So it means when we compile the Java code, then .class file will get created and that .class file we can run on any OS like Mac OS, Windows JVM, Linux JVM, etc. Okay, so let's go to next slide. Secured. So next topic is secured. Java is best known for its security. With Java, we can develop virus-free systems. Java is secured because there is no explicit pointers and Java program run inside a virtual machine sandbox. There are various security provided by Java like class loader. Class loader in Java is part of JRE, which is used to load Java classes into Java virtual machines dynamically. It adds security by separating the package for the classes of the local file system from those that are imported from network sources. Next one is bytecode verifier. It checks the code fragments for illegal code that can violate access rights to object. Security manager. It determines what resources a class can access, such as reading and writing, to the local disk. Java language provides this security by default, and some security can also be provided by application developer explicitly through SSL, JAS, cryptography, etc. Let's go to next slide. Robust. Next topic is robust. Robust simply means strong. Java is robust because it uses strong memory system. There is a lack of pointer that avoids security. There is automatic garbage collection in Java which runs on the Java virtual machine to get rid of objects which are not being used by Java application anymore. There are exception handling and the type of checking mechanism in Java. All these points make Java robust. So let's go to next slide. Next topic is architecture neutral. So Java is architecture neutral because there are no implementation dependent features. Example, size of primitive types is fixed. Let's see this in details. In C programming, int data type occupies 2 bytes of memory for 32-bit architecture and 4 bytes of memory for 62-bit architecture. However, in Java, it occupies 4 bytes of memory for both 32 and 64-bit architecture in Java. Let's go to next slide. And the next topic is portable. Java is portable because it facilitates you to carry the Java bytecode to any platform. It doesn't require any implementation. Let's go to next slide. Next topic is high performance. Java is faster than any traditional interpreted programming language because Java bytecode is close to native code. It is still a little bit slower than compiled language because Java is an interpreted language. That is why it is slower than compiled languages like C, C++, etc. Next topic is distributed. Java is distributed because it facilitates user to create a distributed application in Java. RMI means remote method invocation. EJB, Enterprise Java Bean are used for creating distributed application. These features of Java makes us able to access files by calling the method from any machine on the internet. Next topic is multi-threaded. What multi-thread does? A thread is like a separate program executing concurrently. We can write Java program that deals with many tasks at once by defining multiple threads. The main advantage of multi-threading is that it does not occupy memory for each thread. It shares a common memory area. Threads are important for multimedia, web application, etc. Next topic is dynamic. Java is dynamic language because it supports dynamic loading of classes. It means classes are loaded on demand. It also supports functions from its native language, that is C and C++. Java supports dynamic compilation and automatic memory management, like garbage collection. So that's it guys. In next video, we will write a simple Java program using Eclipse. So if you like this information, please hit on like button to show your support. Thank you.